Ka Voice of the People Party Kalapin Pau ke jing Smokia, Halor ke jingye day hapdeng ke Sorkar Jilla, Bat ke Seng Sha Ken BI, ke Hinyo Trap National Liberation Council, Hadien ba ke te ke Seng, kala Byrngem mikinong yalam ke VPP, u Dr. Bats Merbo, u bade unong aiktien ke VPP, ula ong ba umtip ya ke jingye day hapdeng ke Sorkar, bat ke Hnlc, bat ulapin pauru ba amdan manu na ke Sorkar Bala Pynrem ya ke jing Byrngem persha ya kinong yalam ke VPP. U Dr. Merbo ula kedauru ya ki KHUBOR bala mi pajba ki ba pinpau ba ke Hnlc kala dan jingye day ba kiriusan perthei ula banjuru ba ke day ke jingkit kli jong ke Sorkar jilla ban pintikna ya ke jingye da bat ke jing shong san ha ke jilla. Ulong baklem ke jing yada bat ke jing song kamla bandan ke jing kiu shaprang ne karoi kapar ha ke jilla.
I don't know, I cannot comment on this matter because they were successful in talking with the other, or rather, they were engaging in talks with the other band organization, but why they cannot, talk with the HNLC, I don't know. So, I can't comment on that. But what we need in our state is peace, law and order, and tranquility. Because without law and order, without peace, we cannot really achieve development. We cannot progress. I don't know if you read what is there in the in the news in the recent times. It looks like the organization has had the relation with the politicians, and the politicians, they have the relations with the organization. So uh, and you see recently that VPP leaders were threatened by the organization, so we really don't know. And it is very complicated, but this is what I believe. It is a duty of the state government to ensure that law and order, peace is maintained in the state. It is the duty of the state government.
So, but
Because I don't know the equations between the government and the organization also. I don't know what is going on. And you see, when the organization, which HNLC, threatened to take action against the VVP leaders, none from the government even condemned the statement. So I don't know what is the equation.